Benda ni bagus sebab untuk future Selangor sendiri, untuk lahirkan bakat-bakat muda tu mungkin akan datang daripada sini lah. Daripada umur kecil tadi, daripada 10 saya rasa sampai ke 15, kita nampak lah peringkat tu ada yang bakat yang mungkin akan boleh diketengahkan lagi lah. Kehadiran pun memerangsangkan lah bagi saya dengan kehadiran macam ni kan. Macam budak-budak macam ni tu kita lebih untuk more fun, untuk dia enjoy dengan kita punya program ni. Bagi saya sendiri pun saya enjoy dengan diorang. Kita more fun, walaupun ada benda kita kena ambil serius tentang pembetulan untuk dia dari segi tangkapan diorang. Kita berjenaka dengan diorang, kita buat lawak dengan diorang, kita bersonok. Daripada situ nanti dia akan ingat, oh macam ni. Contoh macam, oh Abang Ijaz buat sini, macam ni kan.
This program is memang kita harus buat selalu. It's a good start. It's a good start di mana, and you can see that the response is very good, especially for these boys. Not only 1-2 age level, but we open up. I'm hoping you see the players, the coaches, the keeper, they are very happy. They want more. So we need to have extra, because in this first session we are just doing very technical, very basic, and you can see they did it quite well. Important is how do we explain to these young boys, these little boys. Kita perlukan demonstration. From a demo, then dia akan dapat gambar. So that dengan tak sengaja, they will try to do it, maybe not perfect, but we as coaches, we are there, we have to guide them. In the end, kita lepaskan dia buat. Let him do. Then kalau tak betul lagi, stop again. The process is keep on going. The coaching process is always going. But they did well.
My name is Azilatul. This is my son, Dani Ashraf. I think the best thing is dia dapat exposure from different coach, and especially like from a legend kan, someone that they look up. So I think that's a good thing, and it should continue doing so lah.
I'm Sean. I'm 14 this year. I play football in CABJ. I learned a lot of things today, the basics and stuff. I like the one I roll the ball and then the coach kick and then we catch and stuff.
My name is Jeremy. I'm 15 years old and I come from Petaling Jaya. When I saw Coach Lim, I shook his hand. I felt very happy to see him. I've never seen coaches like him before. He's an incredible person. About this training, I think it's very useful. It's fun, entertaining. Hopefully a small session for this.
Saya Seku Batia, ni anak saya Isan. Kami berdua ialah penyokong Selangor lah. Sesi yang dibuat antara FAS dan juga penyokong, secara tak langsung kita merapatkan hubungan antara pemain dan juga penyokong. Saya rasa sesi ini patut diteruskan lagi di masa-masa akan datang untuk kebaikan Persatuan Bola Sepak sendiri dan juga untuk kebaikan pemain.
Apa perasaan adik dapat join session hari ini?
Best lah dapat jumpa Farizal Harun depan-depan. Training dengan dia kerana teknik nak tangkap bola, nak save bola supaya tak masuk ke gawang.